back to DepEd Teleturuan. I think you are now ready to solve word problems involving direct variation. Let us have this sample problem. If y varies directly as x and y is equal to 24 when x is 6, find the constant of variation and the equation of variation. In this problem, we are asked to find the constant of variation and the equation of variation. First, we need to translate the statement y varies directly as x into an equation. So we have y is equal to kx. Next, we will substitute the given value of y and x on our equation. It will become 24 is equal to k multiplied by 6. Let us simplify. Bring down 24. K multiplied by 6 is 6k. To solve for k, let us divide both sides of the equation by 6. K now is equal to 4. That is the constant of variation. Next, let us solve for the equation of variation. All we have to do is to substitute the value of k on the equation y is equal to kx. We now have y is equal to 4k. The constant of variation is 4 and the equation of variation is y is equal to 4x. Another example. If y varies directly as x and y is 18 when x is 9, what is the value of y when x is 7? In this problem, we are asked to solve for the value of y when x is 7. Again, our first step is to translate the statement y varies directly as x into an equation. So we have y is equal to kx. Next, it's to solve for k. Let us substitute first the value of y and x on our equation. It will become 18 equals k multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied by k is 9k, so the equation will become 18 equals 9k. By dividing both sides of the equation by 9, our k now is equal to 2. This 2 is not our final answer because we are asked to find the value of y when x is 7. To solve for y, we will use the equation y is equal to kx. We will substitute the value of k, which is 2, and the second value of x, which is 7. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Therefore, the value of y is 14 when x is 7. There is another way on how to solve this problem. This time, we will use the constant variation. We already know that we can use k is equal to y over x to solve for the constant variation, and these are all the same or equal in all values of x and y. The first value of y over x is equal to the second value of y over x. This means that y sub 1 over x sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 over x sub 2. We will use this equation to solve for y. In y sub 1 and x sub 1, we will substitute the first value of y, which is 18, and the first value of x, which is 9. On the other side of the equation, we will substitute the second value of y and x. Since there is no value of y, we will just write y, and the second value of x is 7. We have 18 over 9 equals y over 7. We can simplify 18 over 9, it will become 2 over 1. Then rewrite y over 7. By using cross multiplication process, 2 times 7 is 14 and y times 1 is y. The value of y is also 14. We got the same answer. In solving problems involving direct variation, we can use any of these methods. The important thing is we will arrive on the right answer. Now it is your turn. Determine whether the given statement is true or false. Number 1. The cost of fish to its weight in kilograms shows a direct variation. Is it true or false? Correct. This is true. Number 2. The fare F of a passenger varies directly as the distance D of his destination may be translated as F is equal to KD. True or false? Correct. This is a true statement. Number 3. This table of values shows a direct variation. Is it true or false? Correct. This is false because although both quantities are increasing, there is no constant of variation. How about this one? This table of values shows a direct variation. Very good. This table shows direct variation. So the answer is true. And number 5, Luisa pays 7 pesos for jeepney fare for every 4 kilometers. If she travels 36 kilometers, then she will pay 63 pesos for her jeepney fare. Is it true or false? That's right. This is true. Job well done. Thank you for your active participation. This is Roswell Q. Quijada. Till the next episodes of DepEd Teleturuan. God bless everyone.